What you must know. 1. Market conditions and recent developments. 1. Despite economic concerns, tariffs, recession fears, S&P 500 dip, Bitcoin remains a key focus. 2. Best performing asset of 2024, averaging 230% annualized return over the last decade. 3. The US government is considering a Bitcoin strategic reserve, similar to reserves for oil, gold, and other assets. 2. Why Bitcoin could be a US reserve asset. 1. Limited supply, only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. 2. Decentralized, no single entity controls it. 3. Digital gold, a potential store of value like physical gold. 4. Global adoption, other countries are already embracing it. 3. Trump's executive order and controversy. 1. Trump announced a US crypto reserve including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. 2. However, Congress approval is required for such a reserve. 3. Some argue Bitcoin should be the sole asset in the reserve. 4. Concerns and criticism. 1. No essential use case, unlike oil, food, or materials in a crisis. 2. Price volatility, a crash could lead to government bailouts. 3. Security risks, if hacked, it could be catastrophic. 4. Alternative investments, would an S&P 500 reserve make more sense? 5. What this means for Bitcoin prices. 1. If a US Bitcoin reserve moves forward, demand could surge, driving prices higher. 2. Some believe Bitcoin could reach $1 million as it becomes a globally recognized store of value. 3. However, government regulations and market volatility remain key risks. 6. Cryptocurrency and Bitcoin reserve. 1. Bitcoin was the best performing asset of 2024 in the last decade, 230% annual return. 2. A US strategic cryptocurrency reserve is being discussed, similar to reserves for oil, gold, and food. 3. Bitcoin's limited supply, 21 million, decentralization, and global adoption make it attractive. 4. Trump proposed a US crypto reserve including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. 5. Some argue only Bitcoin should be included, while others see potential benefits in diversifying. 7. US dollar and inflation. 1. The US dollar loses value over time due to inflation. 2. Since 1913, $1 has lost 99% of its purchasing power. 3. Cryptocurrency could act as a hedge against inflation and protect US monetary dominance. 4. Some experts believe adopting Bitcoin could strengthen the dollar and the US economy. 8. Global Bitcoin adoption. 1. Countries like El Salvador and Central African Republic made Bitcoin legal tender. 2. Companies like Tesla and institutional investors hold Bitcoin as part of their balance sheets. 3. Even China, despite banning crypto, may be secretly accumulating Bitcoin. 4. Bitcoin ETFs are growing fast, with over $30 billion in assets and 1 million BTC held. 9. Risks and concerns. 1. Bitcoin's price is volatile, often dropping during economic downturns. 2. Government holding Bitcoin could lead to taxpayer-funded bailouts if prices crash. 4. Potential insider trading concerns, some investors made millions before announcements. 10. Personal strategy and advice. 1. Dollar cost averaging, DCA Bitcoin ETFs is a simple way to invest with minimal risk. 2. Don't buy the hype and don't sell the fear, Bitcoin has always had ups and downs. 3. Holding a small portion of Bitcoin in a portfolio could be beneficial in the long run.